In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the "Your connection is not private" error on Google Chrome. This message appears when Chrome can't verify a website's security certificate, which helps protect your data. It doesn't always mean something is wrong on your end, but there are several safe fixes you can try to clear it. Start with the basics. Reload the page. A simple refresh often resolves temporary hiccups. Click the Reload button, press Ctrl+R on Windows or Command+R on a Mac. If that doesn't help, try a hard refresh to force Chrome to pull a fresh copy of the page. Use Ctrl+Shift+R on Windows or Command+Shift+R on Mac. Next, open an incognito window from the three dots menu and choose New Incognito Window. If the site loads there, an extension might be the culprit. Also, clear your cache and cookies. Go to Chrome Settings, open Privacy and Security, choose Clear Browsing Data, select All Time, and check cookies and other site data and cached images and files before clearing. This removes outdated or corrupted data that can break secure connections. Now check your system and network. Make sure your computer's date, time, and time zone are correct. Mismatches can cause certificate validation to fail. If you're on public Wi-Fi, switch to a different network, like your mobile hotspot, since captive portals and filtering can interrupt secure traffic. Restart your computer and your router to clear temporary network glitches. If you use antivirus software with web protection or a VPN, temporarily disable them to test. Some security tools intercept HTTPS to scan traffic, which can trigger the warning. Remember to re-enable them after testing. If you still see the error, move to Advanced Troubleshooting. Update Chrome by visiting Chrome/Help and install any available updates. An outdated browser can reject valid certificates. Also update your operating system since system trust stores and networking components affect certificate checks. Consider changing your DNS to a reliable public option, such as Google's 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4, which can improve DNS reliability and reduce errors caused by your provider. Finally, type Chrome/extensions in the address bar, then disable extensions one by one and retest the page. When the error disappears, you've found the problematic add-on. Keep it off or replace it. If none of these fixes work, the issue may be on the website side, like an expired certificate. In that case, avoid entering any sensitive information and try again later, or contact the site owner.